action.
Okay, you start it?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna jump over this.
Okay.
There's another grass that might be poison ivy, but oh well.
Better not be poison ivy, dude.
Far water. There's mud over there. I can't do anything. It's slippery. So I have to jump over this. Or go under the bridge and there's spider webs everywhere.
There's trolls under the bridge. Okay. Any last words?
Yellow.
Yay, dude, you did it.
Nailed it. Wait, keep it rolling. It's still
Nailed
rolling?
it.
No, wait, is it still rolling?
Yeah.
Keep it.
Crazy kid.
That's how I got to that spot. I just went that's here, and then went, oh. So now I'm stuck. What do I do?
Oh, honey. There's tarantulas. Come on.
Yellow.
Dude. Good job, honey.
Okay, let me do it again.
No, we're out of here. Go.
Hey. Banana.
They don't call it a wildlife park for anything. Or is that for nothing? Behold the wild child. At one with nature. Oh my god, I love you, you crazy kid.